Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. This is match 7 of RGLT and it's about to get lit. So let's get interviewing with the competitors. Alright guys, we're here with the competitors Grinder and Cab. So first, any initial thoughts, Grinder?
My initial thoughts are that I've beaten him a bunch of times, but I still think he can push up. So yeah.
Alright, Cab, anything you have to say?
Loki cooks chat, like, I'm not cooking. All I wanted to get with those 500 robos is deep woken. You feel me?
Yeah.
Alright, well, let's get to the game. Alright boys, we're here with the competitors and let's get this match started. So, Grinder and Cab, Cab spraying. Oh yeah, Cab. Cab is... Cab.
Grinder, remember the training.
The training. Oh, Cab. Oh, Cab.
Remember the training.
Oh my god, these people are... This is crazy, guys. Like, legitimately. What the heck? I recommend Cab. Oh, never mind. He doesn't need to reload. He just sprayed and sprayed. Famous words from Sigma.
This is one of the worst commentating bids.
I know, bro. Someone, bro. Actually, like, I'm gonna crash out.
What?
Crash out, Cab! Crash out! I want to see it.
This is the second match, right?
Everyone's talking.
Alright, Cab won the first match.
I'll do it for you.
Jumping.
Wait, what's your name?
He's jumping. He's jumping again. Oh, like he's shooting. Oh my god, Taylor.
Alright.
Oh, I'm selling.
Hey.
Oh yeah, that's
To do this? Grinder on the move. We're not gonna talk about why Grinder's username is D's of the Nut. Okay. Oh, Grinder is absolutely getting sprayed. Okay. Oh my god. Balls going up. Misses that jump. Fails miserably. Gonna cry in his sleep later. Grinder on the walls. Spraying with his assault. Oh, got him lower than him. So I recommend them do reloading. Oh yeah. That's good. That's good. The comeback of the century, boys, is the comeback. Alright, Cab on here. What interesting crosshair, I must say. I'm not going back on Discord. I'm never going back on Discord, boys. Man, this stuff's taking ages. Bro, that was just miserable. Oh! Sudden death! Shots in. They're same HP? Oh, never mind. Cab is actually getting sprayed for this one. Oh! Barely! Cab wins this match 7. GG's. Alright, boys. Well, let's get the final thoughts of the players. Guys, so we're in the game with the competitors. We're in the Discord call with the competitors. Any last words do you have to say, Grinder?
Hey. Yeah, one thing, bro. Good job, bro. But low-key, bro, someone was not being quiet, though, bro.
Bro was...
No, kid, bro. That kid was, like, screaming into the mic, bro. It was so annoying. But still, GG, bro.
Then mute me, bro. Oh, God,
Bro did not remember his
and mute me.
Yo, just
Cab,
You been muted me the entire time, bro.
Bro, just mute him already, bro. I already know.
Cab, do you have anything to say? Final words?
on Skibbity, bro. Grinder was low-key trash talking. Like, come on, buddy, post this on social
What?
media right now. Post this on social media. Post this on social media. Post this on TikTok, YouTube, or YouTube Shorts.
Okay,
Look at
hold
that
up,
math,
bro.
bro.
Buddy, you got a clip. Clip.
Hold up, bro.
Clip.
Bro, he left the
Hold on
server.
again. Yo,
Bro, he
hold
left
up,
the
bro.
server,
What
bro.
do you
It's
want me to
dead.
get,
And
bro?
he's
What
mad
do you want me to
Buddy,
get?
buddy,